Bitcoin and altcoins are pumping like crazy, but how am I going to take full advantage of this? Currently, I'm up 920k in the green here, and I want this train to continue. And in today's video, I am going to explain exactly what I'm going to do. I'm also going to talk about my trading strategies, of course, the 100x challenge, very important here. We've been making some crazy gains. And everything else, guys. So yeah, if you are new to the channel, to this trading channel, then make sure to right now, and this is extremely important, click on subscribe and activate the bell icon so you get notified as soon as I release a new video. And also on my main channel, I did just literally 1 minute ago, I posted the main trading video going over what I think is going to happen with the markets and everything else. So make sure to check that out as well. But with that said, guys, welcome back. My name is Chris, bringing you cryptocurrency videos every day. If you're new to the channel, then make sure to, like I said, subscribe and activate the bell right now. So let us quickly, I know I talked about Bitcoin and the charts, and I actually showed you 18 charts pointing into the direction of where I think the general market is going to go. And in this video, we're gonna focus more on trading, but still, you can see that we have been breaking key resistance levels. This is something that has been happening. We're creating new all-time highs. Altcoins are absolutely flying through the roof. So how am I going to take advantage of this? Well, the thing is, right now, you have seen a big breakout, and we don't really know where this is going to stop for the time being. So on the shorter time frames, we have resistance at 120, 125 right here. Would I enter a Bitcoin trade right now? Not necessarily, unless you have a very long time horizon. Like if you have like 3 months, 6 months or more, yes. But if you are looking to enter a trade right now and take profit tomorrow at 125, sure, that could happen. But just know that we have had a massive move here. And if you look at the RSI, you can see that the RSI on the daily time frame is also a bit overbought here. So it's important to keep track of that, guys, knowing that this pump, yes, it is amazing. I think it's going to continue. But the more parabolic this goes, the more likely we are to see a pullback as well. So for the long term, I'm not concerned at all. Midterm, not concerned. Even short term, not concerned. But in the immediate short term, we could see a little bit of a resistance here at $120,000. Now, if we are to see a pullback, I would, and this is a key pivotal point here at $112,000, because this is a point that is our previous swing high, our previous all-time high. We didn't manage to break through this for the consolidation. And I would personally, if we see a pullback, I would be a big buyer here at $112,000. Now, nothing in this video is financial advice, guys. I'm not a financial advisor. I'm just sharing with you what I am personally doing. This is just for entertainment purposes only. But I will be entering into trades here at $112,000. That's for Bitcoin. So I would not try to catch this move towards the upside. It is already gone unless you have long-term perspective. If you're looking for short-term trades, I would not try to catch this, but if we see a pullback to 112, I would be entering here. And which exchange would I be using? You have the top ones here down in the description. First, you have the best one in my opinion, which is Pionex. You get amazing offers right here. And then you have VX, absolutely amazing exchange here, and offers also on VX. So make sure to take advantage of these offers. You have the links in the description if you're an experienced trader. Now for Ethereum, same thing here. For Ethereum, we're trying to break through the resistance here at $3,000. Now, one key thing about Ethereum is that I said right here in the 12th of June when we were going up here, I said that now is the time for Ethereum to break through this and go towards higher prices. We didn't see that because you saw the war in the Middle East. This is when Israel started to attack Iran. So Iran was attacked and we went down, but I said it's only a matter of time, guys. This is gonna come back up, and now we're seeing it as well. Now Ethereum is gaining a lot of traction right now, and I believe that once we clear this area, $3,000, that we are going to see 3,262 in very, very fast pace here. And that is why it's very important to keep track of these orange lines as well, because it is pushing down the Ethereum price right now, but it's not gonna do that forever, because Ethereum looks really, really bullish right now. In terms of XRP, you can see if I were to enter into an XRP trade, you can see that most of these ones are actually seeing breakouts. So we're at resistance right here. We have seen a breakout previously. For XRP, we are in the middle of the breakout trade. So I would not try to catch this one necessarily right now unless you have a longer term perspective as well. I would wait. If we come back down to $2.37, I would be entering into XRP. Same thing for Cardano. If we were to come back down to 61 cents, I would enter. But this is why I've been telling you previously that now is the time to accumulate altcoins when we're down here, so you don't have to try to catch this moment towards the upside. Of course, if you're using the trading strategies, it is very different, because the trading strategies are all about the volatility, all about buying on the way down and such. And that brings me to Pepe. So as for an individual trade, Pepe is one of those that I am actually going to try to enter here. Now we're right at resistance, so I'm not going to enter right now. And I did have a lot of positions opened down here, and of course my trading strategy as well. But Pepe, I think, is going to be for the foreseeable future, like in the next 3 to 6 months, when the altcoins are potentially going to go up much higher, I think that Pepe is going to be one of the bigger gainers. So I am bullish on Pepe. I want to accumulate more Pepe, but we're right below the resistance right here. So I won't be entering necessarily into an individual trade, but what I will do is add more to my trading strategy, which I'm going to show you right now. So for my trading strategies, quick rundown, I'm up 915K. So this continues to do really, really well. And my bull market portfolio is down 25K, but it's a bit like there's a couple of altcoins that I've been doing disastrously. So like Sui has been going down. ADA has been going down. There's a couple of these ones. Let me see. I think that Coty, let me see, where's Coty? Coty and OM, yeah, Coty is down 8.5K, even outside of range here, but it's about to enter into the range. So some of these coins have been doing extremely bad, and then some coins have actually been doing pretty good. Look at this, Fart coin is up 30%. So just by holding Fart coin, you would be up 6.5, but by using the trading strategy, you're up 29, almost 30%. So the trading strategy is still working exactly as intended. It's still making insane gains, but it's just that some of the positions are dragging down the entire portfolio. Okay, so in detail, what do we have here? We have Bitcoin is up 251%, 630K. Ethereum, look at this, guys. Finally. I've been holding this for 244 days. And I've been saying it's only a matter of time until we are going to get back into range, until this is going to be at profit again. And look at this. It's absolutely insane, guys. This is a huge milestone. So it's starting to trade again. In fact, all of these ones are in range right now. Even Solana is in range. It's down 19K, but it's still trading. It's still doing its thing. It's still doing its magic. Doge, down tremendously, but still, it's trading. XRP, absolutely beautiful. Enter at $2.29. It's up 251%. 62K. So we continue. Cardano, up tremendously. Second Ethereum strategy, up a lot. Second Bitcoin strategy, up a lot. So what I'm going to do right now, guys, is I am going to, as you know, guys, we are using the 100x challenge here. I'm transparently showing you this on the channel, and every 5% I'm supposed to compound, but because the move has been so fast, I haven't compounded. So we can actually compound the main 100x challenge 5 times. So we can compound 5 times, and that means that we will be at about 27K. So if I go to the compound calculator, we know that we need to compound about 90 times in order to reach, no, not 90, okay. In order to reach we started from 10K, sorry. There we go. Yeah, so we need to compound, I think it is 90 times, 94 times, 95 times. Sorry, it's been a while since I covered the trading strategies here. So 27, that means that we have compounded 22 times. This is what we've been doing. So I've compounded the 100x challenge, and now it is trading with more funds, and we are one step closer to see if I will be able to make 1M from just 10K. So that's for the 100x challenge. Of course, if you want to use any of my trading strategies or the 100x challenge, go down to the description of this video right now. First, sign up to Pionex, which is the platform we're using. Also, more information here and a lot of opportunities by using this link. And then with one click, you have all of my main strategies, and then you have the rest of the coins in my bull market portfolio here. If you want to use it for over 180 other altcoins, you also have the settings here in the document. And the exchange we're using, like I said, is Pionex. Now, for my bull market portfolio, I am going to do something here as well. I am going to add, as you know, guys, I only deployed 330K, which is only 50% of the actual the money that I wanted to allocate. Okay, so what I'm gonna do right now, guys, is I want to add to XRP, because once things starts to go nuts, retail loves XRP, guys. So I want to add 20k to XRP. There we go. I add 20k to XRP. And I want to add to Pepe as well, another 30k. So there we have it. I have 60k on Pepe. I have 40k now on XRP. And I'm going to go ahead and add to Sui as well, just because it has been lagging behind so much, but I do think that Sui is going to do well. So let me add another. There we have it. I have now added another 30k to Sui at a lower price. So that is great. So I think that is more or less what I wanted to talk about in today's video. I wanted to show you my dynamic strategies doing well. My bull market portfolio is starting to catch up the compounding of the 100x challenge. Individual trading setups, guys. Yes, be careful trying to catch this run towards the upside, but you are at some point going to have a pullback as well. But if you break through for Pepe here specifically, yes, I know I got in right below resistance right here, but it doesn't matter because it will just buy on the way down here, and yeah, that's completely fine. If you want to know more about my trading strategy, everything I'm doing, my bull market portfolio, my 100x challenge, make sure to go and watch all of these videos linked here at the top of the description. And also, most important thing right now, guys, on this trading channel, if you like trading, if you like setups, make sure to activate the bell icon right now after you have subscribed, so you get notified, because YouTube is not going to push this video to you if you are not activating the bell icon. But that's what I got for you guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.